Want to give your clients a white-glove property browsing experience? Let's dive into how to send listings directly from Kvcore, making you their go-to real estate pro. First, log into your Kvcore account. Use the global search bar at the top of the dashboard to find the specific property you want to share with your client. Type in the address, MLS number, or any unique identifier to locate the listing. Once you've found the property, you'll be taken to its dedicated listing page. Look for the More Actions button. It's typically located near the top right corner, next to the Edit Listing button. Clicking More Actions will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Send Listing option. This will open a new window where you can customize your message. Now, in the Send Listing pop-up, start typing your client's name. Kvcore will auto-populate a list of your contacts. Select the correct client from the list. You can then craft a personalized message to accompany the listing. Highlight the key features, your opinion, or even address any questions they may have. Finally, after customizing your message, simply click the Send button at the bottom of the pop-up. Kvcore will immediately send the listing to your client via email and through the Kvcore app if they're using it. That's it. By sending listings directly from Kvcore, you're providing a seamless and efficient experience for your clients, leading to faster decisions and happier home buyers.